Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to accidentally unarchive your story if you did it on Instagram before 24 hours. So as you can see, like I'm on my account. If I click on these three lines and if I go to this section, how you use Instagram, the second option is archive. So if I go to the archive, so inside the archive I'll be able to see all the list of the stories that I added to the archive. Let's say this is the story. Now as you can see, like this is the story that I added to the archive. So let's say if I want to unarchive it, just click on these more option from the bottom section, and you can see either you want to save this photo or picture or video and share as post, send it to someone, or let's say do something else. Now if you want to add it back to your story, you can just click on this share button from the bottom section, and now as you can see, I can see this option as memories 8 September 2024. If you want to use it, this text, you can just paste it. If you want to remove it, that is also your choice. You can just hide it or remove this one and add this page or video and just send it to your story again. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.